Hey guys, we're here at the Sony booth to take a look at the Sony Xperia XZ2 and the XZ2 Compact. First off, we'd like to say that we're glad that Sony finally deviated from their omnivalence design but still managed to come up with a phone that looks distinctively Sony. Yup, they now have thinner bezels on top and at the bottom thanks to the 18:9 aspect ratio. Both phones are powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, so you'll have all the power you need even if you're a very heavy user. So now let's talk about the differences of the two phones, aside from size of course. First is wireless charging, which is present in the XZ2 but not in the XZ2 Compact, primarily because of size limitations. The second one is a dynamic vibration system, which is very similar to the dual shock controllers of the PS4, wherein the vibration is synced to the audio of your device when you play games, listen to music, or watch videos. So what makes these two phones so special? Last year, Sony pioneered shooting slow-motion videos at 960 frames per second. But this year, they upped their game by bumping up the resolution to Full HD. These two phones are also the only ones in the market that can record at 4K with HDR. And that's about it for a quick look at the Sony Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact. We have a more in-depth article which we will link in the description down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. We will be going around MWC, so stay tuned.